Watch how clothes hangers are made in factories. It's surprising to see how such a small item requires such huge machines. This powerful machine can crush a motorbike into pieces within seconds. With this advanced machine, vegetables can be harvested with incredible precision. Giant vacuum cleaners like this are used to clean roads. A traditional machine is used for rice threshing. This special machine separates stones and bricks from the soil. Surplus production materials and wrench crafting are cleared away with speed and precision, showcasing the true power and efficiency of modern industrial productivity. With steady precision and quiet patience, this machine turns simple dough into mesmerizing patterns. Her head is securely locked onto the shaft through the force of a high-temperature press, creating a bond so firm it seems unbreakable. Carving granite with a powerful jet of high-pressure water allows artists to achieve stunning detail, shaping the stone into intricate works of art. Brick production becomes more efficient as sharp wire cutters slice smoothly through clay, ensuring uniform shapes and speeding up the entire process. Even to make a tiny product, massive machines are often required. This is the perfect example. With this machine, large steel can be cut and drilled effortlessly. To bend and shape thick, heavy pipes, this type of machine is truly remarkable. Take a look at how Chocobar ice creams are made in factories. A powerful multi-saw machine slices through solid ice slabs, cutting them into perfectly sized tiny cubes with speed and accuracy. A massive crusher smashes discarded cans with force, turning them into reusable material efficiently, ensuring nothing goes to waste in the recycling process. Log processing begins with an industrial machine fitted with multiple cutting edges, swiftly stripping away bark to prepare the wood for further use. This specialized jigsaw blade cuts effortlessly through tough cement blocks, delivering clean slices with surprising speed and precision. This machine carefully molds dough filled with sweet bean paste into intricate designs, shaping each piece into the traditional beauty of mooncakes. Crushing a big car into scrap takes just seconds with this machine. This giant machine makes digging drains on farmland quick and easy. Now watch some enormous machines used for multiple purposes. You'll wonder how they were even built. With this system, unloading large containers from trucks no longer requires huge cranes. In the bakery factory, an automated machine precisely arranged balls of dough for baking using a smooth, systematic conveyor belt process that keeps production flawless. Smooth spoons, carefully positioned by hand, are shaped perfectly as a press molds their hollowed contours with precision and consistency. Sheets are transformed with a precise shaping process called stamping, creating uniform designs with consistent accuracy and detail. Crafting spindles for staircases involves guiding bars into a patterned wave generator, shaping each piece with precision and consistent elegance.